Hello everyone and welcome to Van Tech Corner. In today's video, we are going to work with SFP module, fiber cable and OpenWRT. And right here I have the Wallys DR4029 router. It has one SFP port, two Ethernet port. And it is powered by the Qualcomm 4029 SoC. Next, I have the SFP module and this is the single mode 1.25 gigabit and the connectors ELC. When it comes to fiber optic connectors, we have different types such as LC, FC and ST. And in this case, the fiber optic cable is in LC connectors. Let's insert the SFP module to the routers. And then insert the fiber optic cable to the LC port on the module. Once we are using the SFP port on this DR4029, the Ethernet port for the one interface can no longer be used. Instead, this interface will be used for the SFP port. Alright, so we have only one SFP port for one connection and one Ethernet port for LAN connection. Alright, so let's just powering on the routers and let's see what do we have on the router on OpenWRT LuCI. Let's log into the routers and there is no password set. Right, so we are using the Wallys 4029 and we're on a snapshot version. So let's go to network and interfaces. On OpenWRT LuCI page, the one port and the LAN port is still the same. So we can see that no matter it is an Ethernet port or the SFP port, the interface shown right here is still ETH1 for the one port. Let's check it. This is ETH1 and this is ETH0. And you can see this is our IP address 192.168.8.173 and the router is 192.168.8.1 and ping it. So right now we are having the response of like 3 or 2. Alright, let me remove the fiber cable from the SFP port and see if the connection is down. Alright, let's check it. I have just removed the fiber cable from the SFP module and we can see that the interface is down and the request time out. Let's establish the SSH connection to the router and check it. So 192.168.1.1 and root. Alright, so if config. And as you can see, we have two interfaces, ETH0 for the LAN interface and ETH1 for the WAN interface. Alright, so let me replug the fiber cable to the SFP module. And let's check the log. Right, so link it down and link it up 1 Gbps full flow control erx-sfp. Let's try to ping. We can see that on this DR4029, the SFP port is just the same with an Ethernet port, and from log, there's no information related to SFP. We cannot find it at all. SFP and then nothing, and from IP link all the port is just Ethernet 0 and Ethernet 1 and then no SFP interface at all. So far I have shown you how I work with SFP module on the DR4029 routers, and I think that the information may be obvious for some of you, but it is a really new information to me, so I would like to take this chance and share with you all. And this was actually a question for me before I have this router and the SFP module and the fiber connection. So I was wondering how the interface looks like and how do we handle it with LuCI and with OpenWRT. Now I find the answer and I would like to share. So just that. Alright. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.